sweethearts, and welcome back to my channel. And this video, that's going to be a review of the Certifeye Dynasty Palette. This is such a pretty palette. I did receive this as PR. It looks so rude. It looks like this. It's got 18 shades. I would say that this is like the, you can see how much I've used this. I brought this to Japan. This is the foolproof version of making a monochromatic look, because you can do like look, like you have so many looks to choose from. I think this is so cool. There are 6 rows, and there's like a green, a blue, a purple, a pink, a more orangey reddish one, and then there's a neutral row. There are so many things you could do with this palette. I have filmed one palette bingo before, and I will leave that down in the description box so that you can have a peek at that if you want to. I used the palette bingo, gave me all the colors in the bottom, and then I did film 2 looks with this palette, this being one of them, and that will be live tomorrow on my channel so that you can see some more things with this palette. Like I said, I brought this to Japan and I've been playing with this so much. I've been doing some really bold looks like this one. I've been doing some more subtle, colorful looks, and you can see that in my travel vlog to Japan that I did a lot of both of them. I did a lot of more subtle, colorful looks because I wanted to be out the door really quickly but still have some color, and then I used 1 or 2 of these colors and it was just so much fun. The mattes from Certifeye are so nice. I would say though that this Grand is a bit powdery and you will need to pack it on and gently blend the edges for the color to show up like this. Other than that, I'm really impressed with all of these colors. They're so good. And this is the first time that I tried the shimmery formula from Certifeye, and the shimmery formula from Certifeye is amazing. This color, it's so pretty. Is this showing up at all? I don't think so. Now you can see, right? I have 2 bright lights. I have so bright lights because it's so dark here. I have dark walls and dark furniture and everything is dark here, and Sweden is dark, so I have to light this place up. Otherwise, things would turn Halloween 24/7 on my channel. It'd be watching a black hole. We don't want that. But shimmers are so nice. I use them with a setting spray, but honestly, you don't have to. The only reason why I'm doing that is because I have noticed that if I use setting sprays with my shadows, I get more precision and I don't get any fallout. So that's why I do it with my shimmers. But gosh, I've been having so much fun with this palette. I adore this palette. This is a UK-based indie brand, and I will leave the website down below. I think I can only see the because it is a Ticktail based website, so it's the same with Blush Tribe. I can only see the cost in Swedish crowns, and I think it's 380 something Swedish crowns, which would be $40. So I'm guessing it's around $40. If you are living in US, the shipping might be a bit higher. I don't really remember because I have bought 2 palettes from Certifeye and I received one as PR. But I think that the shipping is less expensive if you buy within Europe. It should be, especially if you're in UK. I'm just, I really like these. I'm so excited to show you some European brands like this, and Blush Tribe and Nabla and Makeup Addiction. There's a lot of nice brands, and I know I told you that I was going to film a video about European makeup brands. All the planning is already done. I just need to sit down and film the video. So that is coming real soon. Just so you know, all the planning is done. It's coming. This one has 18 shades. 18 shades for $40. I don't personally think that that is a lot. And indie brands normally, they can't order as many palettes, which the more palettes you order, the less they're gonna cost. It's like with everything, you know, if you're a big company and you buy 100,000 of something, the cost per item is gonna be less than if you're a smaller company and you order 500 of something. That's just the way it is, to be honest. They have 3 palettes now, and I'm pretty sure that you can buy them in a bundle, and I think the price for all of the palettes in a bundle is a lot less, at least in Swedish, so the bundle price in US dollars and in other currencies should be less as well. They have a new palette as well. Wait, I'm gonna get it and show you just what it looks like. So this is the newest palette. This is the Destiny palette, and this one looks like this. It is a black glossy palette. I prefer this packaging, I'll be honest, and it has a similar layout. And I honestly hope that she will have a bit of a different layout for like the next palette, like, because I love this. I love this. And she also has the Tropical Wonders, which is my absolute favorite matte rainbow eyeshadow palette. You keep asking me, like, if I'm gonna get one rainbow palette, what should I get? This one, the Certified Tropical Wonders. This is the one. This is the eyeshadow palette. And I will say, if you look at this one and then this one, I have gotten some questions about similar shadows. Let me see if I can get this to work. About similar shadows, because as you can see, there are some similarities. I would say that Opulence and Swamp are very similar, to the point that they're pretty much dupes. Also Emperor and Atlantic and Grand and Coast, they're very similar. They're not dupes, but they are very similar. But then other than that, I mean, the Riches and the Red Sea, similar, not dupes. Other than that, I would say that they are not dupes. The Starling and the Empress, also similar, not dupes. But I'm really hoping that she's gonna, because she has one palette that's like half of this. That's 9 shades. That is a warm neutral palette. I am hoping that she will come out with more palettes that is like 9 shades like this, but a new color scheme, because I feel like Certifeye is really onto something. The quality is there, the playfulness with colors are there. I am really enjoying this palette. I'm not sad that I have all 3 of these. They are pretty similar, but they're not dead on dupes. Definitely not. And the shimmers are so nice in this palette. But I am hoping that she will take a jump and just do something totally different for the next palette. Because I'm so impressed with the quality, and I'm so impressed with the brand, and I'm really enjoying all the looks that I'm doing with the palettes from Certifeye. So I'm really hoping that we will see something totally different for the next palette, because the quality is there. It's amazing. It's so good. So yeah, I did receive this in PR, and I am affiliated with Certifeye. I bought the other 2 palettes myself, these 2, even though I have an affiliate code. Like, it's what I've said before. If I want something and I don't receive it in PR, I'll just buy it. But I do have a code with Certifeye that will give you 10% off your order, and I will leave it down below in case you are interested in buying something. I love all 3 of my palettes. I will do a more proper review of this one later on. I just need to try it a bit more and need to film some looks with it. But I really like it. I think this is really good. And as you can see, they are pretty intense and pretty fun, and if this was a color scheme that you were looking for, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed at all. Let me just show you some swatches, because I've already filmed some close-up swatches of these, so you can see how they look all swatched out. Everything. I think that's everything I wanted to say. All in all, I'm really pleased with the palette. It is definitely worth the price. I love supporting indie brands. That's pretty much what my channel is about at this time. Love supporting indie brands, love discovering new things. I really recommend this palette if you have been eyeing it. I totally recommend it. All 3 of the palettes have the same quality, to be honest. And I'm really happy to be able to try the shimmery formula as well. I love the shimmery formula. I think it's really pretty. And yeah, I think that was everything. I will review the other palette, the Destiny one, as soon as I get to try it just a bit more. Maybe in like a week or 2 I will have that one up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or requests, like do you want me to do like a look with all 3 palettes, let me know. And if you are one of those people that don't want to have too many similar colors and don't want to have dupes, I don't think you need all three of these palettes. I would say pick the one that's most your favorite. This is the one that's most different, I would say, because these two greens are very, very, very different from the other greens in the other palettes. Really nice. Actually, I think that this one, this palette here, Moss, I'm just going on a tangent. I think this one could be a dupe for the one in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. This is not what this video is about at all. I wanted to end this video and now I'm not. Oh, they are very similar. Yeah. So this is the one from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's slightly darker, and this is the one from the Certifeye palette. They have the same yellowy undertone, but the one from the Jaclyn palette is a bit, from this Dark Magic, is a bit darker. But they are very similar, and that is the only color that I found so far to be actually this similar. You can see them when I swatched them out, that they have the same tone, but this one is a bit lighter. So if you wanted to get that kind of green tone and didn't want to support the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault collection, this one could be for you. But yeah, that was everything. I got off on a tangent, but it's the review of this palette we're talking about, the Dynasty one. Let me know down below. Do you own anything from Certifeye? How do you like the brand so far? I am extremely impressed with the quality. I think I've said that so many times now. I bought this palette on a whim. I had never seen anyone review this one when I got it, and I'm so excited that I gave it a try because this brand is one of my newfound loves, and I cannot wait to see what she comes up with in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because tomorrow there is 2 looks coming up with this palette. It's this look right here, and there is another one more orangey corally thing that I was really pleased with as well. You've seen that before. I do upload quite a lot of videos. I'm trying to upload at least 5 videos a week, and I'm doing pretty good with that. So if you want to see a lot of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you tomorrow for some makeup looks. Bye! Look at the green. Green!